7 Important advice for those entering the cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrency is one of the hottest topics in the investment world right now. While many investors are eager to take advantage of this new market, it's important to approach it with caution. The cryptocurrency market is complex and volatile, which means that there are many risks involved. If you're considering investing in cryptocurrency, there are several important things to keep in mind. In this article, we'll provide you with 7 essential pieces of advice to help you navigate the cryptocurrency market successfully. 1. Know the crypto market well. Before you invest in cryptocurrency, you need to understand the market. The cryptocurrency market is unique and has its own set of rules, trends, and patterns. To be successful, you need to stay up to date with the latest news and trends in the market. You should also follow experts in the field and try to learn from their experiences. By staying informed and educated, you can make better decisions about your investments. 2. Research the cryptocurrencies you will invest well. The cryptocurrency market is vast and complex, with thousands of different cryptocurrencies available to invest in. Before you invest in any cryptocurrency, you need to research it carefully. Look at the market trends, analyze the technology behind the currency, and evaluate its potential for growth. By doing your research, you can make informed decisions about which cryptocurrencies to invest in. 3. Be aware of the risks in the market. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and risky. Prices can fluctuate rapidly, and there are many factors that can impact the market. Some of the risks of investing in cryptocurrency include low liquidity, hacker attacks, and market manipulation. Before you invest, you need to be aware of these risks and understand how to manage them. This means setting clear investment goals and strategies and being prepared for potential losses. 4. Use a safe wallet for your money. If you're going to invest in cryptocurrency, you need to keep your investments safe. Digital assets can be vulnerable to hacking and theft, so it's important to use a secure wallet to store your cryptocurrencies. There are several different types of wallets available, including paper wallets and hardware wallets. You should also use a strong password and two-factor authentication to protect your wallet. 5. Be patient to earn. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and prices can change rapidly. It's important to be patient and adopt a long-term investment strategy. Instead of focusing on short-term gains, you should be thinking about long-term growth. This means being prepared to weather market fluctuations and sticking to your investment plan. 6. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key to managing risk in any investment portfolio, and the same is true for cryptocurrency. By diversifying your portfolio, you can reduce your risk and take advantage of different market conditions. However, it's important to research each cryptocurrency carefully before investing in it. Make sure you understand the technology behind the currency and its potential for growth. 7. Don't forget your tax obligations. Finally, it's important to remember that investing in cryptocurrency can have tax implications. It's important to familiarize yourself with the tax laws in your country and work with an accountant or tax professional to manage your tax obligations. Investing in cryptocurrency can be a lucrative opportunity for investors with a high-risk appetite. However, it's important to approach this market with caution and do your research before investing. By following these 7 essential pieces of advice, you can increase your chances of success in the cryptocurrency market. It is not investment advice.